Today, we're doing some math.
Oh man, I hate school. I could go home and play video games.
Say that again, or else you will have lunch detention. You got me.
Oh.
Oh, I'll meet you guys here. Oh, hello there. How was it going? Is it going good? Yes, sure I am. Oh yeah. So somebody just bullied a little girl bug one video ago. Aw man. School really sucks. Right, boys?
Yes, babe. Me too. Wait, what? I have an idea.
Oh yeah. What is it, bro?
How about you two can help me by pulling the fire alarm?
Well, great idea, Dodge Charger. Let's do it. Okay, class, before we get started on the very, very easy test. I let you 3 passed out of your papers.
No. This beep again and again and again and again.
What did he say? Green limbo, pink limbo, and Dodge Charger. You really have to do a very, 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 very hard work. And that means, watch your language.
Yay. Let's turn on the fire alarm.
What is the matter? Are you not going to class?
Sure I am. But since we got beaten up by these boys one video ago.
Oh, I see. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Kindergartners, get outside. There is a fire drill.
You need to get outside right now.
There is no fire, guys. Green, pink Lambo, and Dodge Charger. Report to my office. Thank you. You 3 are suspended. Suspended for a week. Go home while I'm calling your mother. Hello. This is Principal Escalade of the Auto School. Your 3 teenage children are pulling the fire alarm. Can you ground them? Okay, thank you. Bye.
Green, pink Lambo, and Dodge Charger. How dare you 3 pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You 3 are grounded for the rest of this week. Go to your rooms right now.
school for 928493268375208934773286437910917428637228438 years. Go home right now.